You got any biscuits for sale in there?
Hey y'all, DonOutofTheWoods.com back again. Another real easy dish. This is going to be Sloppy Joe Casserole. You may have had it this way, you may not. My gorgeous bride taught me this one. Right now I'm browning 2 pounds of liquid gold hamburger meat, ground beef. And I'm doing it, I know Mark Kilgore's going to be ready to shoot me, but I'm doing this red copper. Don't buy one of these. It's terrible. It's the worst pan I've ever owned. And as soon as I can sneak it out and put it in the scrap pile, that's what's going to happen to it. But it does okay with hamburger meat because it don't stick, but everything else in the world sticks to it. Don't get one of these. But anyway, coming at you, I'm gonna brown this meat, and we will be right back with you. Okay, I got my ground beef browned. Now I have 2 cans of Sloppy Joe mix. This one rhymes with sandwich. But you know how it goes. They're not paying me. I'm gonna mix this in. I'll be right back. Alright, my pal Bryant's in here with me now. And what we got is 2 walk cans of crescent rolls. And he's gonna open them, so I'm standing way back.
Yeah, alright. Don't go Judy chopping somebody that don't need Judy. Alright?
That's one way to do it.
Yeah. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, yeah, that's good enough.
There you go.
Yeah, it's perfect.
No name brands. They know where to find me. I'm not hard to find. We have our crescent rolls ready to go in. This is easy. Ain't even calling it homemade. Matthew's gonna freak out on me because I didn't make my own dough. It's fine. That's not what this channel's about. You can do that, but you know, we do some homemade stuff, but we do some easy stuff too, like this. So I've got this spread out on the bottom of the pan, and now I'm going to shovel in my Sloppy Joe mix, or just pour it in.
Here's the other.
I like to pour it in. What do you think? Okay.
Myself, I need
Now,
to see.
smooth this down. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Smooth it over. Get it nice and even. Next step. This is everybody's favorite part. The cheese. Yeah, I'll put more cheese in here. More cheese?
More cheese.
All right.
I prefer a gallon of cheese.
Cheese it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Plenty of cheese.
Plenty of cheese.
Probably gonna get in trouble with this much cheese.
Nah, you can't have enough cheese here.
If anybody asked, Bryant did it.
No. It's all on him. Yep.
Throw me in the well.
Yep.
Okay. Another roll.
There's chocolate in there.
Where's the beginning? Here it is. Okay, while I've been doing this, I've had the look, and the cheese, just how much you want. No rhyme or reason. Just cover the meat. I have had my oven preheating at 350. It's not quite there yet. And all I'm going to do, once I get this ready to go, is put this in the oven at 350 and keep an eye on it. When the top of this browns, it's ready to eat. Any questions? Drop a comment.
It's really good. Trust me.
Good. That took about 16 or 17 minutes. It's time for sloppy Joe Casserole. That's pretty hot. Oh yeah. Kids will be happy. You'll be happy. Let it cool.